I believe some of you are a little bit confused about how to do the simulation. Okay, let's say you use 2% as changing fossil fuel per year. If you use 2.5% as I originally posted, that's fine. And 1 GT net deforestation rate per year. Okay, so this model actually, let's see. If we want to reset it, we just click this reset button and let's say run decade. Now you have 2020 numbers, okay? So look at here, be very careful with your numbers because you can lose a lot of points if you do not pay attention. Atmosphere, I said clearly in the instruction we use ppm, okay? That's parts per million. It's more easily understand as parts per million than the tons of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Does that make sense? So for 2020, the number of CO2, that is 415 ppm, and ocean surface, now I see mistakes, okay? There's two numbers here. How come you only use one? If you use 35 or 1000, that doesn't mean anything because your baseline at 2010 is 1000. You have to add the increase of the concentration happened in the past decade. So the final number is 1035. And for deep ocean, if you add them up, it's 38 and 21. And if we look at these numbers, there's no other numbers to add. So those are cool, okay? And for this soil, there is increase. So you have to add the two numbers together. So some of the numbers do not change, and some of the number, I wouldn't say do not change. It doesn't show you plus or minus, okay? So you just copy these numbers, okay? There's only one number, but for the two numbers, observe with details. That's the essential skill for study science. So if it says plus, then you have to plus them together. Hopefully this helps. Let's try another one. Let's say another 10 years passed, okay? And now we have 445 ppm CO2. And now the ocean surface carbon concentration increased to 1050. And deep ocean, that's 3857, okay?